What's good, auto gang? Mobile tire service. We got a flat tire in the parking lot. 245, 35, 20. Get them right. And they work at the hospital auctioneer. So the good thing with my business, they still able to do what they need to do. And once they get out of work, they ain't got to worry about finding somebody to come put their spare on and or getting it towed from the parking lot that they're at to a tire shop or back home and have to deal with that. So a lot of these people, like I'm at Oxnard Hospital, so a lot of these people are putting like major time in at these hospitals, like 12, 14 hours plus, you know what I'm saying? So the last thing they want to worry about is their vehicle once they get out of work, you know what I'm saying? So that's when Eazy Auto comes into play. I make everything easy for you, so about to service the vehicle right here, and once you get out of work, you should be all good to go. And I appreciate everybody that shop Eazy Auto. And a lot of people say you jack the car, too high, and you're not using the jack stands. I understand that sometimes when you jack it up, it's gonna be high as hell, so just so you can get the jack stand underneath. So y'all have to take that in consideration as well. And sometimes you're only able actually really to put the jack in one spot, because I have a jack point that's right here. Then underneath the jack point, it's really like just the side skirt plastic right here, so you only really have a spot for the jack really on certain cars. Not every car, but certain cars. Yeah. Alright, so we got this thing jacked up. Go cut my compressor on and get started. I checked the other 2 tires so they do that as well. There we are done. Give it a torque down. You always want to torque the wheels down, so customer ain't calling you again saying the wheel passing them up. So y'all shop the easy way. I pull up. If you got a flat, Eazy Auto got your back, baby.